Hey, everybody. It's me, Kelly, and I just wanted to share with you some information about this amazing spice here. Do you recognize it? It's actually dripping because I just pulled it out of my tea. I just made a special concoction. It's so good. Anyway, this is called star anise. You may have seen it before, you may have used it before. If not, then you're going to be learning some really cool stuff right now. So, star anise, it's actually a spice that comes from an evergreen tree. And its main benefits is that it helps with gut healing. So if you have any bacteria, fungi, or even the flu virus going on, then it helps fight it off. And it also is really well known for its ability to help ease pain and aches. So if you have chronic pain, that would be really beneficial for you to have some star anise in your daily routine. Now, people even use therapeutically aromatherapy with star anise because it helps ease aches and pains. It even has anticonvulsive properties. So, if you suffer from any of the things I've listed, then this would be something for you to try for sure. So, here's the thing, star anise smells like very sweet licorice and it definitely tastes like licorice. So, if you don't like licorice, I have an alternative for you from the tea. But if you love black licorice, which I'm sure many of you do, I mean, I love it. It's just amazing. Then you'll love the tea and you'll love the recipe I made. And I am going to share that recipe with you guys for free. Just comment below and let me know that you're interested in getting the recipe. Just say me or me too, whatever. And I will send you some information. Now, if you do like to drink star anise, I do have one special tip for you. The stronger the brew, the better. So definitely, put it in hot water or boil it and put it on simmer for like 20 minutes. And, you can even put it on low heat for like an hour if you want, and it'll be amazing. So those are just some ideas. If you do have any gut issues or chronic pain, then this is highly recommended. So comment below, say me too, or whatever else you want to say, and I will get in touch with you to send you some recommendations for where to get your star anise.